Hi, this is Krishna Merchant and thank you for joining us for the market roundup. The Indian markets ended higher on Monday on back of gains in IT shares, although global cues were weak. The Sensex was up around 0.7% to close at 21,205 and the Nifty ended at 6,304. It was the IT index which was in focus with some of the gainers like TCS rising almost 5% and Wipro was up around 4%. On Friday, Wipro announced their December quarter results which were in line with analyst estimates. TK Kurian, the CEO, said that they expect an improvement in growth in the next fiscal year, and for the next quarter they have projected a growth of around 2 to 4% and it might clock the revenue at around 1.75 billion. Amongst other stocks that were in focus today, Reliance Industries shares were down by almost 2%. The results were again better than estimates, but they failed to enthuse the investors. The net profit saw a marginal increase, mainly helped by the treasury income. Also, the top losers on the Sensex were Coal India and Tata Power. They were down around 1% each. Aurobindo Pharma shares were in focus today. The stock was up 6% after the company said that they have signed an agreement to acquire commercial operations in around 7 Western European countries from an Irish firm, Activist PLC, for Euro 30 million. From the mid-cap space, Multi Commodities Exchange was one of the top gainers today. It rose almost 11%. Also, Cox & Kings rallied. It was up over 9% following an announcement that they made last week of acquiring a company in Australia, a part of their diversification plan. Ultratech Cement shares were also in focus. They announced the December quarter results. The stock was marginally down as the net profit fell around 38% on back of lower realizations and higher operating costs. Reliance Media Works shares were in focus today. The stock was up 19% on delisting plans. While the Indian markets outperformed the global indices, which were down mainly following weak Chinese GDP data. Analysts have said that there might be some caution coming ahead of the RBI policy, which is on January 28th. That is all for today. Do stay tuned to livemint.com for more updates.